Hello and welcome. Lisa Howard here. Today I want to talk about affiliate marketing. This channel is all about entrepreneurship and following your dreams to pursue whatever it is you want to get in life. So, I want to talk about affiliate marketing today. And with that being said, if you like that type of content, subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you can get notified whenever I do a video. So I have my notes here because I want to go over everything that I plan on going on over with you. So, and what affiliate marketing is, it is making a referral to other businesses' websites and getting a commission from the purchase of the customer that you send to that website. So that's what affiliate marketing is. And there are many businesses that have an affiliate marketing program. And normal businesses like Walmart, Home Depot, lots of business. If you would go to whatever your favorite website is and you scroll all the way down to the footer of that website, it may have something that says work with us or affiliates. You just have to kind of camp out at the bottom of the website. But there are platforms where they have affiliate products. So that's what affiliate marketing is. So a warning about affiliate marketing. It can work for anybody. However, you have to put in work on the front end and be willing to make absolutely no money for months, possibly even years if you're not consistent. So you have to be willing to do that because you may not, you almost for sure will not get paid for at least a couple of months or more. So you have to be willing to make nothing. And you have to also be willing to be consistent even though you're making nothing. So, I mean, that's a downfall, but that's what it is. So as a matter of fact, you may even lose money. Like if you do paid marketing or if you're in an affiliate program that you have to pay to be in, because some affiliate programs require that you pay to be an affiliate. So you could actually lose money doing affiliate marketing. But it is a business and you're an entrepreneur. If you're looking at this video, you're an entrepreneur or a business person. So as an entrepreneur, you have to be willing to take risks. So it is a risk because you may lose money or you may lose time because you put a lot of time in, you get nothing out. I'm gonna just be straight up with you. So this is what you should know before you start affiliate marketing. Okay, I got 5 things that I want to go over with you. So the first thing is the concept of affiliate marketing is simple, but it's not easy. And what that means is it's a simple process. You get a link from a website that offers an affiliate program. You get people to click on that link and buy something from that store or that program. So that is simple to understand. But what's not easy is actually getting customers to come to your platform, your YouTube, your website, or wherever you're choosing to promote. So even people with good intentions, like your friends or your family, if you tell them, look, I'm an affiliate for, and this is an example, I'm an affiliate for these Walmart products. So whenever you shop at Walmart, go to my website first and click on this link so that I can get a referral. Nobody's trying to do that. Nobody ain't trying to do that. So So even people who want to see you win and grow, even if they intend on helping you out in that way, they are not going to remember. Let me go to Lisa's website and click on Walmart so I can go to Walmart and then I'm gonna buy my nobody doing that. So that's the part that's hard, getting people to actually go from your link to that store. So that's the part that takes time. So you have to build influence before anybody tries to do that for you. So all right, so and number 2, that's number 1. Number 2, and I kind of talked about it already, is you will not see success right away. Success comes long after you start. And I'm saying it this way to set expectations. I don't want you to think I'm going to be an affiliate marketer, I'm going to get a link, and then I'm going to spam my link on everybody so that I can make some money. No, nobody don't want you spamming your links because that's aggravating. That's annoying. Nobody wants that. So there's a way to do things better than that. Don't do that. Okay, so that's number 2. You will not see success right away, but once it comes in abundance. So the time that you put in on the front end, if you stick with it, you will be rewarded down the line. So you just got to be willing to go through that process. All right, so cause I've seen many people that take action and they keep taking action even through the period where they're not making, they seem to not be making any type of difference. But those people that push through that time are the ones that become successful. And that's actually with anything. Like even if you're trying to lose weight, you're passing up on cake, you're passing up on ice cream, you're passing up on all the stuff you like. And then you exercise and you get on the scale and seem like you gain weight. But if you keep at it, you will achieve those goals. So it's the same process. You're just going to put work in on the front end and you'll see results later. That's with anything that's worth having. If you want to have kids, you become pregnant and then you got to go through this long 9 months of being pregnant before you have this beautiful baby girl or baby boy in your arms. It's a process. So just work through the process. All right, so that is number 2. Number 3 is paid advertising can help you grow faster, but it can suck your money way down. So if you choose to do paid advertising, which can help you to grow way faster than if you just try to gain an audience organically. But paid advertising will suck a hole in your purse or your wallet or your bank. Just letting you know. So if you choose to do paid advertising, get training and track your results. So if you don't know what I mean when I say track your results, that means don't do paid advertising because you're going to waste your money. All right, so that's number 3. Number 4 is master one platform, maybe 2, as your space to serve your customers, because affiliate marketing is an online business. It's online. So you got to master one platform: Facebook, YouTube, your own website, Pinterest. You have to find a way. There's YouTube, free YouTube information, so you can find a way to be a master at whichever platform you choose. So that's number 4. Study and master one platform, and just keep plugging away. And number 5 is take massive action. Plan your actions and then you do what you set out to do. Whatever you said was gonna do, then do that, so that you can stay active, stay consistent, take massive action. Because otherwise, you're just wasting your time. You know, the less of action you take, that's the longer it's gonna take you to actually build a rapport and a following, so that people know, like, trust you, and purchase the items you tell them to purchase when you go live or upload a video. So you got to really take massive action and just keep plugging away, even when it looks like it ain't gonna work. Because if you stay with it, then it's gotta work. So that was number 5. And as far as affiliate marketing, the reason I've chosen affiliate marketing is because my dream is to have a location independent business that I can work from anywhere, that will offer me the abundance in life that I'm trying to get. I want to be able to take a trip to see my grandchildren, because I have 3 grandkids and they live in a different state than I do. So I don't want to have to worry about the plane ticket costs too much, I can't go see them. I want to be able to work from anywhere. And I want to be able to, if I need to go somewhere, I can go without worrying about, oh, that ticket is too high, I can't make it. So and I feel like it is my calling to present this opportunity to people who would otherwise not have the opportunity to create an abundant life for themselves and their family. Because I truly, truly believe that affiliate marketing, anybody can do it. Anybody can be a success. But a lot of people don't want to go through the process of becoming a success. You have to stay consistent and committed, and you have to have trust and belief that it will work. Because if you have all those things, then it's got to work for you. So anyway, that is my spiel on affiliate marketing. If you would like more information on affiliate marketing, or if you want information on paid advertising, I created a document, and just leave a comment and I will get that document to you, so you can have at least a starting point for learning about paid advertising. So with that being said, that's my video for today, and I will see you again here tomorrow. Bye-bye.